Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix WordPress redirection when we open domain or when we want to access website after migration or uploading WordPress website files and database to another domain. So we copy and upload WordPress website files and database to our another domain btweb.ch. So when we open this domain, then this domain redirect to another domain pixel. Now we are going to open it. Now you see redirect to pixelcraft. So we are going to fix this issue. Now go to database. So this is our database and we are going to change domain name in option table. Now you see option table in database. So click on it and then you see site URL home. So we are going to change domain name in both sections. Now you see we change domain name site URL home to our new domain. Now go to website again. Now you see website open and we open our website after change domain in option table. Also you can configure wp-config.php file again with database name, database user and database password. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.